Okay, so now you're in. Pretty easy. Come in, select your currency, put your average order value in there, put your target annual revenue in. Note, none of your data is getting stored. So as soon as you leave this page, that's it, it's gone. Put your sales qualified to sale conversion rate. So in this case, it's almost 1 in 3. Marketing qualified to sales qualified conversion rate, 1 in 5, 20%. Prospect to marketing qualified lead conversion rate, 15. And then whether they are a general member of an audience / your total addressable market to prospect conversion rate at 5. Now, if you want to get a little bit more accurate and you know that you've already got some sales committed for a period, you can enter them here. So whether that's number of sales or a committed amount of revenue, which will then affect how much you need to achieve. So again, to say we've got 600,000. So we actually need half the amount of sales to achieve our target. So 120 sales, which means we need 400 SQLs, 2,000 marketing qualified leads, 13,334 prospects needed to achieve the 2,000 MQLs, and a total addressable market or an audience of 266,667.